I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing what matters most: files, layout, and a clear goal. Open PowerPoint, set the slide size to 16:9, and import SVGs for smooth scaling. Once done, enable Morph and Animation Pane. These tools save time. Create a simple master slide for consistent placement and place your main objects in rough order. Now insert one slide for each key idea. This lets you use Morph between states. Make sure to name layers clearly so you don't lose track. Now you refine movement and timing. Select objects and duplicate slides to create state changes, then apply Morph for smooth transitions. This avoids complex keyframes. Use motion path only when direction matters, otherwise, rely on preset entrances. Next, open the animation pane and stagger starts by 2 to 5 ticks, roughly 2 to 5/10 of a second, to simulate natural pacing. Group related elements so you animate one control. This reduces mistakes. Preview frequently to catch awkward overlaps and fix them immediately. Finish by polishing and exporting. You want reliability. Walk each slide once more, tighten durations, and remove redundant effects that distract. Export to MP4 at 1080p for compatibility, or keep the PPTX if you need interactivity. Make sure to test on the actual projector or meeting software, because timing can shift. If something goes wrong, animations skip or stutter, turn off hardware graphics acceleration. Update your GPU driver or simplify a motion path. Then re-export and test again. That usually solves it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.